Please type your name in the name blank. Number 1. Mike had these bills and coins in his pocket. How much money does Mike have in his pocket? A. $2.13. B. $3.09. C. $2.73. Or D. $2.98. Pause and answer the question. Number 2. Gary had $175. He spent $17 on a fish tank. Which number line represents one way to determine the amount of money Gary has left? Number 3. Kenya set a goal to write a 500-page novel. She has already written some pages and has 237 pages left to write. Which equation could not be used to find the number of pages Kenya has already written? A. 500 minus blank equals 237. B. 237 plus 500 equals blank. C. 237 plus blank equals 500. D. 500 minus 237 equals blank. Number 4. There are 529 items in the school's lost and found. Of these items, 265 are jackets and 88 are hats. The remaining are sweaters. Which model can be used to find the number of sweaters in the lost and found? Number 5. Last year, an elephant was born at the zoo. The elephant has gained 381 pounds since birth and now weighs a total of 576 pounds, as shown in the model. Which equation can be used to find the number of pounds the elephant weighed at birth? $571 plus 381 equals blank. B. Blank plus 381 equals 576. C. Blank plus 195 equals 381. D. 576 plus 195 equals blank. Number 6. Josie purchased wood to build a frame for her favorite drawing. The dimensions of the drawing are shown in the diagram. 9 inches, 13 inches. How many inches of wood will Josie use to frame the drawing? A. 117 inches. B. 22 inches. C. 44 inches. D. 126 inches. Number 7. Mr. Evans put a border around the bulletin board in his classroom. A diagram of the bulletin board is shown. 7 feet, 4 feet, 7 feet, 4 feet. What is the perimeter of the bulletin board? A. 28 feet. B. 11 feet. C. 35 feet. D. 22 feet. Number 7. Sam has 327 trading cards, Jack has 215 trading cards, and Bob has 616 trading cards. How many more trading cards did Bob have than Sam and Jack together? How many more trading cards did Bob have than Sam and Jack together? A. 1,158. B. 289. C. 74. D. 134. Number 9. For his birthday, Alec received $150 from his parents. Alec used 89 of his birthday money to buy a season pass to a water park. Write an equation to represent how to find the amount of money Alec has left. Please type in your answer. Number 10. Craig counted 237 gummy bears in one bag and 187 gummy bears in another bag. How many gummy bears did Craig have in all? Please type in your answer.